Hey guys, just going to get some quick first impressions on this welding shirt I just picked up. I guess it's more of like a welding shacket. It's halfway between a shirt and a jacket. Fresh out of the package. Still got some creases in it. Is what it is. It says it's water resistant too. Let's find out here. Did you see that? Watch. It just pulls up, goes away. Let's see if there. I got a lighter here. So yeah, this is flame retardant or resistant, not fireproof, but we've got no hole through that thing after putting the torch directly on it. Not bad. Yeah, if I get the flame directly on it, I could scorch it a little bit, but that's pretty good. It's flame retardant, but I like the waterproof nature. I like that it's got snaps on it. I've got it over my regular shirt. It's thick, but not too thick. It doesn't feel thin and wispy. Good coverage on my body. Now, my big thing is my torso is longer than my legs. I'm kind of a Barney Rebel. I wanted to get the long, but I stuck with just a regular extra large. I'm about 240 pounds, 6'1". Raising my arms up. I don't have my guts hanging out. I can stretch my arms out, and I've still got some sleeve coverage, which is important, but really good range of motion here, which was important to me because honestly, I'm kind of halfway between an XL and a 2X in many clothes, but I went with the XL on this one. Snaps come up a little farther, so we can roll up the sleeves if we want. And this is a shirt you could just wear around the shop or around the house, whatever. You wear it to work. Not a bad looking shirt at all, but I do like that it just snaps up, snaps down. I've got it over 2 layers right now, so it's not too bulky, but it covers all my clothes for when I'm doing welding work. So this is fine for sparks and stuff from grinding or from welding. So it seems like a decent shop shirt, and you can just take it off, throw it on the bench, and then when you need it, pop it back on. I like that it has some pockets on the front. It's got a sneaky little cell phone pocket, which your cell phone will fit all the way in there, which is good so it doesn't fall out. And it was long enough on my torso. Like this shirt's a little short, so when I bend over, I'm showing the plumber's crack. This thing's a little longer, even though it's an XL like regular. It's covering my butt a little bit more, so when I'm bending over welding, nobody's sticking pennies down my butt. So, all right, seems decent for a welding shirt. Certainly flame resistant, not fireproof, but I did not burn through it, even though I put that torch directly on it. And really cool seeing how this thing's water resistant. So this will be a great little shop shirt for in here for doing projects.